Humanistic psychology is a significant approach in the field of psychology that emphasizes the inherent goodness of individuals and the importance of personal growth, self-actualization, and the holistic understanding of human experience. This perspective emerged in the mid-20th century as a reaction to the deterministic views of psychoanalysis and behaviorism, which often focused on pathology and the influence of external factors on behavior. Pioneered by influential figures such as Carl Rogers and Abraham Maslow, humanistic psychology posits that individuals possess an innate drive to achieve their fullest potential and that this drive can be nurtured in a supportive environment. At the core of humanistic psychology is the concept of self-actualization, which refers to the realization of an individual's potential and the pursuit of personal growth and fulfillment. Maslow's hierarchy of needs is a foundational theory within this approach, outlining a 5-tier model of human motivation. According to Maslow, individuals must satisfy lower-level needs, such as physiological needs and safety, before they can focus on higher-level needs, including love and belonging, esteem, and ultimately self-actualization. This hierarchy illustrates that personal development is a gradual process that requires the fulfillment of basic needs before individuals can pursue more complex psychological and emotional aspirations. Another key figure in humanistic psychology, Carl Rogers, developed the concept of person-centered therapy, which emphasizes the importance of creating a therapeutic environment characterized by unconditional positive regard, empathy, and genuineness. Rogers believed that individuals are capable of self-directed growth when provided with the right conditions. In person-centered therapy, the therapist acts as a facilitator, creating a safe and non-judgmental space where clients can explore their thoughts and feelings freely. This approach fosters self-discovery and encourages individuals to take responsibility for their own growth and healing. Humanistic psychology also places a strong emphasis on the subjective experience of individuals. This perspective asserts that understanding a person's unique experiences, feelings, and perceptions is essential for effective therapy and personal development. Humanistic psychologists prioritize the individual's perspective, recognizing that each person's experience is valid and significant. This focus on subjective experience allows for a more empathetic understanding of human behavior, promoting a compassionate approach to mental health and well-being. The humanistic approach also extends to concepts such as authenticity and self-concept. Authenticity refers to the alignment between one's true self and their actions, while self-concept encompasses an individual's perception of themselves, including their strengths, weaknesses, and values. Humanistic psychologists emphasize the importance of developing a positive self-concept and living authentically, as these factors contribute to overall well-being and life satisfaction. By fostering self-awareness and encouraging individuals to embrace their true selves, humanistic psychology promotes healthier relationships and greater fulfillment in life. In recent years, humanistic psychology has influenced various fields, including education, organizational development, and counseling. The principles of humanistic psychology have been integrated into educational practices that prioritize student-centered learning, encouraging self-directed exploration and personal growth. In organizational settings, humanistic principles have informed approaches to leadership and team dynamics, fostering environments that value collaboration, creativity, and employee well-being. In conclusion, humanistic psychology offers a valuable perspective on human behavior and personal development. With its emphasis on self-actualization, the importance of subjective experience, and the creation of supportive environments, this approach has shaped therapeutic practices and influenced various domains of human interaction. By understanding and applying the principles of humanistic psychology, individuals can foster personal growth, enhance their relationships, and pursue a more fulfilling and meaningful life. This perspective empowers both practitioners and clients to embrace the inherent potential within each person, promoting a holistic approach to mental health and well-being.